How to stop WhatsApp group members from changing their WhatsApp group settings. If you want to change the WhatsApp group members from changing the group settings, it's very simple to do so. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to stop WhatsApp group members from changing the group settings on WhatsApp, it is very simple to do so. First, open up WhatsApp and go to that certain group. Once you go to that group, making sure that you are the administrator of the group and you want to stop the members to be able to change the group settings. Tap the group name from the very top and simply scroll and look for the option that says Group Permissions and tap on it. So here you can see members can currently edit group settings. This includes the name, icon, description, disappearing message timer, and ability to pin, keep, or unkeep messages. So if you want to revoke that permission from them, just turn off the toggle next to edit group settings and members will not be able to do anything. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.